What's going on, guys? Jones and Dogs here. Welcome back to the channel. Alright, guys. So I'm back out here with my Team Corrali Mammoth SP. This one right here, guys. It's a two-wheel drive 110 scale monster truck, and I wanted to kind of show you guys a size comparison. I know some of you guys are asking for a size comparison. Well, I have it out here next to my Big Rock, and a lot of you guys know that the Big Rock is a pretty large 110 scale. It's a little bit larger than average 110 scales. It's a little longer than a Granite. It's bigger than a Granite, so you can see how this thing compares. It lines right up. This thing is just as big as the Big Rock. Look at that. Look at that. Slightly a little bit longer. Actually, the body is a little bit longer there in the rear. You can see slightly longer than a Big Rock. You guys can, let me see if I can see from the side there, give you guys a side comparison. Look at that. Slightly longer than a Big Rock, guys. So I mean, of course it is brushed and it's two-wheel drive, but this one is $189 on sale. This one right now currently is I think it's like $300 on sale. It originally is $339. You know, I picked this guy up about a week or two ago, a couple weeks ago. I just got this like a day or two ago, and this is four-wheel drive, two-wheel drive, but just to show you guys the size comparison of that to the Big Rock. 180, 300. So there you go. And you can see it's pretty much just as wide. The Big Rock probably might be a little bit wider. I don't know. Probably just as wide though. So tires are just about the same size. So just wanted to show you that. But we're gonna run this Team Corrali on 3S. Quick 3S rip. Let me get this bad boy out. All right, guys. So I got a 3S 3030C. Nothing too crazy in here. So we're gonna go ahead and get this bad boy running. And I got this goofy little connector. You guys know this has a Tamiya plug, so I'm just gonna let y'all know right now that connector might come loose periodically while I'm running, especially if I hit some jumps with it. So I'll let y'all know right now. But I kind of want to test the motor and see how hot it gets after running 3S for a little while. You guys know I did do the speed test, but that was only a couple times up and down the street. So, and the motor, of course, it didn't get really too much hot then, but like I said, that was only a couple runs up and down the street. I do want to kind of see if this actually can handle 3S in this system, because I plan on, hopefully, if the system survives, I plan on maybe putting this in something else, because I got a brushless motor, of course, and stuff for this. So I will be upgrading this to brushless. So hopefully this system can handle it and I can put this in something else. Full throttle there. I freaking love the way this thing looks. Only thing I may do besides upgrading the brushes, I'm gonna have to anyway. No, I'm not. I may change the servo. It's really wide. Has really wide turns. Like, see there? One of my other cars, I would have been able to cut that turn. See? And that's that connector. I knew it. Just that little jump. Made that little adapter come loose. Since we got it here, see how the motor's getting hot. Nope, motor's barely warm. See, give me a second. See, all I did was tap. Let me try to fix this connector, guys. Okay, guys, so we're back. I actually did adjust that connector a little bit, and I actually swapped out the Lipo. So I swapped out the 30C 3000, and I put the 2200 Ovonic 35C 3S Lipo in here. So hopefully we'll see if they can get a better connection with this Ovonic. Actually might have to redo the speed test on this 3S. This thing seems like it's Got a little bit more pump to it. So yeah, I just want to test and see how hot the motor gets. Run it on the system. I already got a brusher system for it, like I said, but I still want to use the system in something else. Big boy roll. Not too bad for two-wheel drive. I keep forgetting it's two-wheel drive. Oh, some brakes are scratching my body up. This thing was freaking sweet, guys. Freaking sweet. Totally missed the rim. Nothing like running a brush truck, I'm telling you. Ooh. Ooh, wow. Y'all know when I'm quiet, I'm having fun. Y'all know that. We back. One or two more jumps. I think we'll test, or at least I don't have a heat gun, and then we'll see how hot that motor is. This thing is freaking sweet. And make sure I'm giving myself enough room to turn. More jump. Cap it off. All right, let's get over here. I had to do that little skid. Let's get over here and feel this motor real quick. See how hot this motor is. See, I'm holding my finger on the motor. It's warm, but you see I'm holding it on there the whole time. But it's not burning hot. It's warm, but not burning hot. So there you guys go. Holding it on there the whole time. Just to make sure. Yeah, it's warm, but it's not burning hot, guys. You can see front finger on there. So this thing can't take a 3S Lipo. There you guys have it. Quick run of the Mammoth SP on 3S. Size comparison, quick run. Your boy John with the Dogs. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Catch you guys in the next episode. Deuces.